In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use the Ruckus Cloud Wi-Fi Portal to enable logging client data to an external Syslog server using the Venue menu and the Advanced Network Setting menu using a computer browser user interface. Syslog is a way for network devices to send event messages to a logging server, usually known as a Syslog server. If you need to maintain a traffic log of client data, you can enable and configure an external Syslog server per venue. So why would you want to use a Syslog server? Well, in some European countries, anyone who provides a hotspot Wi-Fi service to anyone else is designated a provider and must keep a log of the traffic for 1 year. So there are legal reasons for using a Syslog server, and these will vary from country to country. They can also be used as a troubleshooting tool if a network is experiencing performance or security issues. Some of the biggest challenges with Syslog is the volume of data. This puts additional traffic on your wireless LAN, so using a Syslog server requires some discernment and design. Another challenge is the logging server software itself must simplify log management. Ruckus Cloud Wi-Fi can configure the parameters of the connection to an external Syslog server per venue. At the wireless LAN level, the client data logging can then be enabled. So in order to enable Syslog, the first thing we would do is go to the venues, and I'm going to select one of my venue menus. And if you scroll down to the lower right-hand corner, you'll see the Syslog server. You'll notice in this case that it is off. If I click on the gear, I would give the Syslog server address, and I'll put in an IP address here. So that would be the server address of your Syslog server. The next required field is the port, and Syslog uses the User Datagram Protocol UDP, and by default it's 514, so we'll keep that at 514. The event facility refers to the source of the message, such as the hardware device, a protocol, or a module of the system software, and that can be keep the original, or I can have up to 7 different event facilities. And the last field is the priority. By default, you're going to log the errors, but I could set that up for alert or critical errors or warnings or notices or all the above. Just remember that if it's all the above, you're going to get a lot of additional traffic there. So then I would save that. That'll update the venue. And then I'm going to have to turn Syslog on a per venue basis. So I would click the off button and I would toggle that on, and that'll update the venue. Next, I would go to the particular network that I wanted to send my data to the Syslog, and I'll go to my guest network here, and it can be a pre-shared key or a AAA or any other type of networks. And I could go in and edit my network, and if I go to the Advanced tab, and I scroll down a little bit, here you will see Enable Logging Client Data to External Syslog. So if I tick that box, and then I hit Save, that will enable that wireless LAN to then send data to the Syslog server. So as you can see, it's easy to set up and configure a wireless LAN to send data to a Syslog server. Just make sure that you understand the legal and traffic issues that your network will experience once this option is enabled.